You're beautiful, you shine like a star.
Magandang umaga Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Ako po si Dwaine Woolley at eto po ang pamangkin ko na si Josephine. Hello! Hindi siya pamangkin ko, anak siya ni Ahizi. Part siya ng Ahizi tribe. Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Magandang umaga, Josephine. Ayan, mami ni Josephine. Magandang umaga, asawa ko. Nandito po kami ngayon sa Azure Residences dito sa Paranaque, malapit sa SM Bikutan. So, dito kami nagbabakasyon, family vacation. Ayan. Oh, Tita Shanta. Sige na, Shanta, magbihis ka na. Bihis ka na, tara na. Ngayong umaga po, punta tayo sa wave pool. Ituturo namin kayo dito sa Azure Residences. Para siyang paraiso eh. Tingnan natin sa labas. Ang sarap dito, grabe. So mag-swimming tayo. O di ba, Josephine? Swimming ka din? Mag-swimming ka gyapon, Josephine? Josephine, swimming ta? Yeah. Unsa man na, Josephine? Unsa na? Castle? Sand castle? Yeah?
Sand castle!
Yeah! Brian forgot to bring his swimmers, so tumakbo siya dun sa SM. Pagbalik niya, alis na tayo. Josephine, tambok ba ka? Dili. Ako, tambok ba ko?
Be, tambok ba ko? Tambok ba ko, be?
Kids are brutally honest. They always tell the truth. Dili man sila bakakon.
Sabi na ako sexy ko, be! Nawag man ko, be! Be!
Mga tambok ta diri, eh. Mga butete o glawas. Josephine!
Oh,
Hala ka, Josephine.
Tara na, let's go.
Sama kayo ko, eh. Kuyawan mo, eh. Josephine is practicing swimming.
Wow!
Swim, yeah. Okay, Jodeline, nakawin namin ang anak mo, ha? Sandali lang.
Oh,
Yes, waiting for daddy to get the swimsuit for you, okay?
Yeah, alright. We have stolen the Ahizi tribe's anak na si Josephine. We're gonna go swimming in the wave pool. Woohoo! Dito na tayo. Yeah, Josephine. Josephine. Wow. Ang ganda. Magsisimula na, baby. Mag-uumpisa na ang waves.
hold on to your balloon, ha? It might fly away.
Shanta would make a good mom, no? Good na lingkod sa be.
Oh, careful with your balloon. Let's put your balloon over here, okay? So when you fall, you have your balloon. I'll give
Maghimo
you
ta og
water.
sandcastle. Sige na. Sige na.
Here, I'll give you the water.
Excited ba? Excited.
Then wash your hands like this and then
Oh, kita ah. Woohoo! Sandcastle, yay! Yeah! Awesome sandcastle. Sige, tara na, mag-swimming na ta.
Come on. Okay. Oh, Dwaine, can you help her? Ganda sila sa last wave. Bantayi ha. Uy, bantayi ito.
You made it!
Yes,
Finally, man.
I was jogging from SM back here. Forgot the visitor cards, came back and forth and back.
Oh,
I got my
dude.
exercise for today. Yan!
Go, 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 go.
Go, Josephine! Get the castle! So, Shanta, kailan tayo magkaanak? Dami kasing nagtatanong eh.
Oh, abangan.
Abangan. Parang teleserye. Maganak na tayo para may kaibigan si Josephine.
Papa, Dwanta anak.
Oh, lisod man eh, oy. Dili man ikasya sa imo. Sige, kani ha. Dili ko kabalo ani. Dili man ko tatay.
You have to practice.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
ready?
Yes,
Sulod,
yes,
sulod.
mommy.
Anak, yeah. Yeah, kasya. Yeah.
Oh, very good. Okay, we're going.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, tonight is a sad night. Nakakalungkot kasi mag-goodbye na tayo kay Ahisi Tribe.
Nang hihinaya.
Bye.
Ikaw ang pag-ijak.
Pag-ibig in time. Saki
Oh, that's a good idea. Ikaw na nga.
Ang hinahanap ng puso, ang siyang magbibigay ng saya, ng tamis.
Yan.
Alright, ready? Ready to get Shanta?
Bye-bye. You're
Back.
beautiful.
Shine like a
So,
star.
guys, if gusto nyo mag-book dito, just click the link below and just say recommended by
Dwaine.
Dwanta.
Or
Yeah. Kung gusto kayo magstay dito sa Azure, right?
Yeah, click the link below in the description if you want to
Cool.
stay here. Yeah.
Done. Bye-bye. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the end of the Dwanta Ahisi collab for now. Uwi na kami sa bahay namin. Edit namin tong video na to. Upload na. And then abangan nyo ang iba pang kalakuhan ng Dwanta. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Dwanta out. Shanta, say bye.
You're beautiful, you shine like a star. You got me falling slow.
It's Dwanta Fam shoutout time. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, una sa lahat, shoutout po namin si Yele Sediwa from Consuegra, Leyte. Maraming salamat po sa supportan nyo. Pangalawa, i-shoutout po namin si ZYC. Sabi niya, akala niya, Jamil lang ang magandang panoorin. Salamat sa pag-subscribe at maraming magandang YouTube channels din. Shoutout po namin si Leonora Niñora from Tulunan, Cotabato City. Ang layo. And ang pinakalas na isa-shoutout po namin ay si Carol Soto from the Soto family. Looks like they're from Canada. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. Abangan niyo po ang susunod na video namin dito sa Dwanta Fam.
I'll be closer than your shadow, closer than you know. If you let me love you.
Yeah, just like the moon in the night sky. Your loving is surreal, baby, let's fly.
Through eternity, go wherever, wherever. You and I through whatever weather.
You're hotter than the sunshine in Manila, and what I have for you is forever. Siempre te querré.